Good morning, everyone. Today we have got really bad weather, as you can see. It's raining. You can see on the window. What?
I think I can see.
You can look. You can see it on the side there. You can see the window there. Look.
Sure.
Yeah. So we're going to head to Disney Springs, which is about a 20-minute drive away. Have a look around there. Then we're going to head on to Mall at Millennia, where we're going to have a wander around, have a look at some of the shop. But fantastic news is we're going to get a late lunch at the Cheesecake Factory. What the? Everybody loves Cheesecake Factory. And then hopefully get a piece of cheesecake each to bring back to the villa tonight. And hopefully by then it should be about 4 or 5 o'clock-ish and the storm should have passed. And we'll be able to jump in the pool and chill out for the rest of the evening. It's a horrible day here in Florida. So we've arrived at Disney Springs, and shout out, you can get your Psycho Bunny merch. www.psychobunny.com. We've arrived. Check out the hat. Check out the hat. Yeah, we've arrived at Disney Springs. It is an awful day here in Florida. It's supposed to rain and be thunderstormy all day. Hence the reason we decided not to do anything that required us to be outside. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
They're really summery.
Yeah, no, considering it.
Yeah, bad decision. Here we are at World of Disney, which is busy. So many people around, but we've got to go and get presents for people, so shout out, stay strong. Oh my god, it's chaos. Currently hanging out in the Disney Christmas shop. Elle's looking at Disney Christmas bits, she just disappeared around the corner. What's going well? It's just so much Disney, and sometimes there can be such a thing as too much Disney. So it's suddenly become quite sunny out, and I'm wearing a jumper. I could do with jumping in there right now, I'll tell you that much. So we are leaving Disney Springs now. We've been here about two and a bit hours. We did shopping, but we're not telling you what it is. Now we're heading off to Mall at Millennia to hopefully do a little bit of shopping and get some lunch at the Cheesecake Factory, which is literally the only reason we've left the villa today. There's no other reason other than the Cheesecake Factory, is there?
We're in shopping.
But the Cheesecake Factory is
one of the reasons.
Main reason. We're at Mall of Millennia. Look at those clouds though. It's going to get stormy this evening. This is the look of a face that instantly regrets eating that much food. And that's another face that regrets eating so much food. We're going to head back to the villa now and just chill out for the rest of the day. Jump in the pool in about 17 hours when we finally digested all the food. But it's okay because we got cheesecake for tonight. Or you got to take away cheesecake because shout out that cheesecake life. So we're in the villa and we've recovered from our food comas from earlier. Is that agreed, Ellie? We're watching, I want to say Friends with Benefits, and we've got our cheesecake. Something disastrous has happened to my cheesecake. It's fallen over. Look. But I have a salted caramel cheesecake, and Ellie got a, what's it called?
Tuxedo chocolate.
Yeah, so I think it's like white and dark chocolate.
Yeah.